right, x squared plus 4x plus 5 divided into x cubed plus 8x squared minus 5x plus 1. What goes, oh no, what did I do? Why did I do that? Plus 1. I'm not gonna edit that out, I'm just gonna keep that in there. What goes up top? X. Multiply. So x times x squared is x cubed. You're a step ahead, that's okay. X times 4x, positive 4x squared. So before, yeah. And x times 5, 5x. Subtract, what happens to x cubes? Gone. 4x squared, I'm sorry, 8x squared minus 4x squared. 4x squared. Negative 5x minus 5x. Minus 10x. What happens to the 1? What would Snoop Dogg say? Very good. Good job. Are we done? Nope. What goes up top? 4. Was he talking about potatoes in that song? Is that what it was about? 4 times x squared, 4x squared. 4 times 4x, 16x. 4 times 5, 20. 4x squared is canceled. Negative 10x minus 16x. Good. 1 minus 20. Very good. Are we done? Yes. What's the degree of the remainder? No. What's the degree of the remainder? 1. That's why. And what's the degree of the divisor? 2. And now what's the answer? That's all you.
X plus 4 minus 2, 26x minus 19 over x squared plus 4x plus 5.
So we have to be careful about that. So I'm going to write down what you said. Right. There's a sign issue now. Because of this minus here, you'd be negating this entire numerator. So if you pull a minus sign out front, then technically this 19 has to become positive. What I would strongly suggest you do to avoid that issue, no matter what this is, always make it a plus and just keep all the signs up top. So just say plus and then that fraction. Because otherwise, you might accidentally switch signs. All right, this next one, you're going to have a great time. Here's a hint for the next one. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Because we're doing it together, right?
Yeah, no. What's the hint? We have to add some zeros. There's gaps. Notice in the numerator, there is no cubic, there's no squared, there's no x. In the denominator, there's no x. So anytime you are missing terms, especially in the dividend, you need to put zeros in there. Do you guys have a question? What's up? It's okay. You can ask. All right. So the setup would be, I'm just saying. Yeah. So 2x to the 4th plus, actually I need to use a thinner line here because this unfortunately has a lot of work. So 2x to the fourth plus 0x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 25. That's the setup. I know that 2 is like really pathetic. It looks terrible now. So since we have no cubic, no squared, no x term, we had to put placeholders in. The process is still the same, leading term over leading term. So let's do leading term over leading term. 2x to the fourth over x squared. 2x squared, so put that in the x squared column. Now what do we do? Multiply. So 2x squared times x squared is 2x squared times 1. Put that in the x squared column. Notice there's a gap in the divisor, which causes a gap as we progress. Draw the line, change the signs. Because this is the x squared column. Just like over here, this was the x, the first column, this was the constant column. Two x to the fourth minus 2x to the fourth, 0. 0x cubed minus nothing, 0. Do I need to put anything in the x cubed column? No. 0x squared minus 2x squared. Bring it down. Leading term over leading term. Minus 2. Multiply. Nope, it's right here. Barely making it here. So negative 2 times x squared. Good. Negative 2 times 1. 2. Draw the line. Do it to it. The negative 2x squareds cancel. The 0x plus 0 more makes 0, so we don't have to write anything. So negative 25 plus 2 more is good. There you go. So 2x squared minus 2 plus negative 23 over x squared plus 1. So watch out for gaps.